Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to update your Spotify application. So if you use iPhone, then go to App Store. If you use Android phone, then go to Google Play Store. Then tap on the search box and search app and games, tap here and tap the word Spotify, and that's it. Then you can get here. Like if your Spotify is up to date, then you will not see the update text here, because already your Spotify app is updated. And if your app is need to update, then you can see the interface like this. So simply tap on the update button, and it takes few time to install the new version. So it's really small, 14 megabyte. Just wait to get the update version of Spotify. So once it's done, then you can see here it's up to date, and you can open the app. So it takes few time to installing in your device. Just wait to see the result. So you can see it's successful updated. So it's now open button. It means that your app is updated. So today is no more, and see you the next video.